Today we're unboxing the AVS-10, our open touch panel built for modern AV and IoT applications. The first thing you'll find is the AVS-10 itself. Here's a closer look at the touch panel. Its 10-inch screen is paired with a clean, modern design, perfect for any professional AV installation. At the bottom of the box, you'll find a wall mounting plate. Also included are the accessories you'll need to get started, including a screwdriver, terminal block connectors, power supply, and USB-C cable. Here's everything included with the AVS-10. Each accessory is packaged separately to help keep everything organized during installation. Are you interested in testing the AVS-10 yourself? We're looking for a small group of users to test it out and share their honest feedback. If you'd like to be considered, just reach out to us for more details.